wabarakatuh. Welcome to channel Cemi Official. Pada edisi sore yang berbahagia ini kami mencoba ngevlog gimana keindahan ibu kota tercinta, ibu kota Calang di pelabuhan Jatinya ya. Oke, buat rekan-rekan semua jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe sebanyak-banyaknya. Oke, terima kasih. Selamat menonton.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Bukan aja yang aku tahu ke sana.
Oke guys, ini adalah Pantai Calang ya, pelabuhan Calang Aceh Jaya. Oke, buat rekan-rekan yang mau nikmati suasana di sini, silahkan berkunjung di Desa Ketapang Aceh Jaya. Beginilah kondisinya, sungguh cantik.